Okay, today's video is a video on how quickly we can pop this pop-up canopy up and how quickly we can get it packed back up. So let's remove it from the box and see how fast we can get this thing set up. Kind of some features for it. All right, let's get busy. Before we set up, I do want to talk about this carrying case that it comes in. It has wheels and some front legs for it to stand and easily to be transported. When you tilt it and roll it, cover, a couple pockets here. Not sure what's in here, probably feels like instructions. Some cheap steaks and instructions. So let's get this thing removed from this carrying case and see what we got. So if you're by yourself and trying to install this, in each corner of each one of them, you see this large patch of Velcro. You want to kind of put it in the center, wrap it around to hold us in place. A little windy out here. Look at that. We got trying to parachute on us, but that's the corner. So I'm gonna get under here and do each corner like so. We'll be able to do this thing by ourselves. So we're under here. Of course, you can strap it here, there, 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 and there. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that just for a few of them. I'm not gonna keep it erect for a long period. My goal is to show how quickly we can assemble it and disassemble it and do a slight review on it. It's already kind of gathering heat under here already. So let me just fasten a couple of those straps and then we're gonna erect it. Okay, I didn't do a lot of them, just a few. One thing for sure, it's some heat is gathering on here. It's pretty hot out today. It's about 85, 86 degrees out. Let's get from under here. About 85, 86 degrees out today. Pretty nice tent, pretty nice construction. Super easy to set up. Let's show you guys what we need to do next. So if you want to strap this thing down to the ground, this is a very good method. These bungee cords, I got some decent tension on them. These hooks are really nice. You can get these hooks for a couple bucks a piece at Home Depot or Menards, Lowe's, etc. And paint them because you don't want them to rust. And these are great. Just drive them in the ground wherever you at, like stakes, and they're great to hook to. And although I'm only using 2 for this video and review, they're great to hold this thing in place because we're getting those wind gusts. This thing's not going anywhere with those 2 hooks. Also, I want to note, I'm at the first level. I'm 5'11". I'm going to walk under here. I'm 5'11". You kind of get a gauge. We'll also get a measuring tape here. But this is the first height. Although the box tells us the size, it's kind of best to get a visual, I think, on anything opposed to getting a reading from a measuring tape. So we'll get that visual when I walk under here. I'm 5'11", and you guys will see how tall I'm under here on level 1. Got a few different levels. So the height is from 95.5 inches to 97.5 inches. Up to 68. Fits up to 6 to 8 people. Of course, you can get a little more than that. Maybe 10 under here. Net weight. The base is 10 foot by 10. Top is 8 foot by 8. Of course, because it's a triangular shape up top. But let's get a measuring tape and I'll walk under here at level 1. Because I want to note I'm 5'11", so you gotta get an idea of my height when I'm walking under here on level 1. Okay, I have to make a run, guys. Now I'm back, and we're gonna close this out First, we're gonna measure the height difference. We got 95.5 inches to 97.5 inches. So let's get a measuring tape here. The canvas is right at 67 inches. So that's our height. 66, 67 inches on level 1. And let me show you guys the differences between each level. So we got a 4-inch gap between holes. This height is comfortable for me, even if you're having an outing or a barbecue. Maybe if you got a little taller people, you can go up another level. The tallest height will make it more susceptible to wind or wind gusts to blow it over or tip it over. Maybe the middle level is the best. Yeah, I would say the middle level is the best to have this at, to have a decent height and without nobody bumping their heads, and not too much concern with it possibly getting blown over due to its lower gravity than it's being taller. But yeah, so all in all, nice constructed canopy for 50 bucks. You cannot beat this. Not bad at all. Very nice constructed piece, and somewhat kind of firm. If I put those other 2 supports on here to anchor it down, and it would be pretty good. Yeah, not bad. And it goes up in a cinch. So very nice canopy if you're camping or at an event, barbecue, outing, or any event where you need some shade. This thing is pretty nice. I didn't expect it to be this nice. I actually thought it required some drilling and screwing when I bought it. It's been sitting for a couple months. So glad it's something that I can just raise and pop up whenever we need it in no time. So let's disassemble this thing or let it down and see how quickly I can do that by myself. There's pins here. All right, guys, there it is. Very simple assembly and disassembly of this canopy. Very nice too. Let's close out the video with some measurements of this carrying bag, and that'll be it. Really impressed with this. All right, so 50 inches height, and the diameter and width appears to be the same. Let's see. Seven and a half. About pretty much 7.5. So there you have it. We're bulging a little bit here because I kind of stuffed the canopy in there, but that's it. Okay, guys, it's a wrap. My recommendations will be some bungees and some hooks like so, to hold this thing in place unless you're on concrete or some kind of pavement. May can get away with some sandbags or something to tie down around, or some kind of weight. That'll be nice, some weights. Got a lot of weights around here. Just to hook around with some bungees. It eliminates from using string, and it'll keep it firm. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Terrence, I'm out.